Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday. I will cook pork adobo, guys. Because my daughter, we're gonna have dinner here tonight. So, magluluto ako. Magluluto ako ng pork adobo at saka chicken. Ibang klaseng luto ng chicken. Luto ko sa oyster sauce. Ay, madami na pala ito. Madami rin kami. Thank you, Lord, for today. Guide my hands, Lord, na di po ako masugatan. Kasi kung masusugatan ako eh. Hirap po masugatan, Cooking time. Thank you, Lord, for guarding my hand. Hindi po ako masugat. My hands, Lord. Ay, napaka-sharp naman ito. Siguro nila. They sharpen this one. That's why it's very sharp. Well, too many naman to fats. It's okay. Pakupsan ko naman to eh. Pakupos. Kagabi ba kami nag-dinner doon sa annual dinner ng work ni Alan. Yung nila pork cracklings hindi masarap. Hindi iba talaga yung pork cracklings na gawa ng Pilipino, no? Kaysa yung gawa nila. Ang tuyo-tuyo na wala talagang lasa. Nagpururot patuloy ako. Puro naman to, taba. Hindi ako nakapamili na maayos. Magsigang ako ng bangus. So, 3 putahe. Tapos si Alan magsasalad. Lab! Can you put the electricity of the caravan because I want to use the aircon? Very hot. I want put electricity to our caravan because I'm going to stand by there after I cook. I really love to stand by there. Hang around there.